Hey guys, today I want to show you a little bit about Xubuntu. So Xubuntu is a little bit the same as Ubuntu. It's also called 9.10 Comic Koala, by the way. And as you can see, it looks like Ubuntu 9.10. So if we go to applications, we can see add remove programs. It's like Ubuntu Software Center. And in settings we got screensaver and screen and appearance, just like in Ubuntu. So if I go to appearance, I can choose by many different themes. They got some cool themes. They got many. I like to use the default. So many themes. Icons, gnome, Tango, it looks a little bit about Linux Mint actually. So I like to have it in elementary Xubuntu. Settings, yeah, okay. We'll go to applications again. Graphics, they got GIMP image editor, Restretto, don't know what that is. Xsane image scanning, Office, Abbey Word, Orange Wordbook. They don't got Open Office, but you can download that from add remove programs. Multimedia, Brasero, Exhale, music player, and mixer. And they got Firefox as in Ubuntu, and they got Mozilla Thunderbird as, yeah, and Pigeon Internet Messenger, Remote Desktop Viewer, and XChat. Games, I think the same as in Ubuntu. Yeah, about the same. Okay. System, we got the Synaptic Package Manager and USB Startup Disk Creator, language support, the same things. Got the calculator, obviously, the terminal. Yeah. So let's try to right click on the desktop. Oh. Okay, let's try again. And go to desktop settings. And by the way, Xubuntu, if you have an old PC, I would recommend you to use Xubuntu instead of Ubuntu, because Xubuntu uses XFCE instead of GNOME, so it takes less memory and stuff. So yeah, that's great. So if you're on an older PC, then choose Xubuntu. We got some wallpapers. Menus, icons. I can choose home and file system, and the icon size. Yeah. Okay. So now I want to show you how to install this. press install Xubuntu 9.10 karmic koala, and I just wait a little bit. And I'm running Xubuntu in VirtualBox, as you can see. I hope you like my new mic. Okay. Nothing seems to happen. And by the way, sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick in the head. No, I'm having the flu, so yeah. Okay, choose your language. I'm using Danish because I live in Denmark. Press forward. And just wait a little bit again. Okay, Europe and Denmark time. Yes, that's correct. Forward. Last Christmas I gave you my heart. Okay, that's enough. I'm kinda weird, I know. Oh my god, this takes a long time. Okay, your keyboard layout. Just try some Danish letters. Yes, correct. And forward again. So yes, this definitely takes some time. Yeah, okay. And it's starting the partition program. And I'm just using the erase and use the entire hard drive. And you can also do the advanced partitions, but I'm just gonna use the whole drive. Hit forward. computer is really slow right now. I guess I should have used my desktop instead.